Welcome back, folks. Today we are diving into a common problem that programmers often encounter in their code. The problem at hand revolves around instances of foo in list bar, scattered throughout a code base, which seems like a memory-intensive version of foo and bar. But is there more to this than meets the eye? Let's find out together. Now, onto the solution that sheds light on the mystery behind using foo in list bar. Picture this scenario. You have a variable bar that undergoes modification within a loop. The ingenious use of foo in list bar comes into play when the loop not only iterates through bar but also modifies it dynamically. Intriguing, right? This enables you to work with altered versions of bar in each iteration, steering clear of potential runtime errors. Expanding on this solution, we delve deeper into a practical application from Python's standard library. Take, for instance, a snippet where _config_vars gets iterated through using list_config_vars to unlock the power of modifying a variable within the loop. This technique proves invaluable in scenarios where elements need to be removed or altered on the fly, showcasing the versatility of using foo in list bar over a traditional approach. In summary, we've unveiled the hidden gem within the seemingly mundane foo in list bar construct. By leveraging this method, you gain the flexibility to manipulate variables within a loop seamlessly, opening up a realm of possibilities in your coding endeavors. With that said, remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!